Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Taskbar empty Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Taskbar empty Windows 11 managing registry. To start, right-click on Start and click on Task Manager. After that, click on Run New Task. You are going to enter CMD and then activate the box. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. In the terminal, enter the command you see on the screen. Press Enter. When you press Enter, the system will be rebooted. When you access Windows again, the taskbar will be normal. Chapter 2. How to fix Taskbar empty Windows 11 restarting Windows Explorer. To get started, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Here, select the Windows Explorer process. When doing so, click on Restart Task. We will wait for the environment to load again to have the taskbar fully functional. Chapter 3. How to fix Taskbar empty Windows 11 from terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. Press Yes. After that, scan the file system, run the command sfc/scano, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You must wait for the analysis to finish. Thanks to this analysis, the taskbar will recover its natural state. Chapter 4. How to fix Taskbar empty Windows 11 uninstalling updates. To start, press Start and open Settings. After this, in Windows Update, click on Update History. Here it is possible to see all the installed updates. In this case, we click on Uninstall Updates. In this section, you can check if any of these updates affect the behavior of the taskbar. If so, click Uninstall. Chapter 5. How to fix Taskbar empty Windows 11 adjusting date and time. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Click on Set the time and date. In the pop-up window, click Change Date and Time. Check that these data are correct and apply changes if necessary. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.